Good day to my future employer. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Judith A. Reyes from Philippines. I am 42 years old and I am married to George C. Reyes. We were blessed with three children ages 20, 17, and 14. I had completed my bachelor's degree from Nueva Vizcaya State University. My first work experience as a household worker was in Qatar. The family members are composed of six adults and two children. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, tutoring children, and picking her up from school. My second work experience was in United Arab Emirates. I worked there for 2 years. They are four adults and one child aged 16 years old. My main chores are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, tutoring the child, preparing her things and send her to school. I am patient, trustworthy, hardworking, and dedicated to my work. Mom and sir, if you will hire me, I will do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you for sparing your time to look on my video. I hope you will give me a chance to be a part of your family. I will love my work and your children as well. Thank you.